Hi, respected teachers, a very, very happy Teachers' Day. This is a very, very personal message. All those who are seeing this on Instagram and YouTube. Firstly, a very, very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers, to all the friends, to life especially. And this is a very, very personal message that I want to give to all my school teachers, to all the teachers of Somerville, Noida. uh, okay, I really want to spill beans on something. I was not Somerville was one of the last schools, last hope of my parents, because I had tried MIT, I had tried every other school in Noida. And क्या होता था, ये लोग they used to call the child, the one who has to be admitted, the child, in person. Somerville was the only school who used to call the children with their parents, और मेरा टेस्ट पास हो गया अचानक से, एंड आई वाज लाइक चलो यही यही स्कूल में जाने का है। एंड वो भी घर के ऐसे 500 मीटर दूर में, घर घर के 500 मीटर दूर में स्कूल। एंड आई एम लाइक वाओ ग्रेट डन, यही यही स्कूल में जाएगा। एंड व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल, आई विल जस्ट शो यू हाउ आई वाज व्हाट अ नर्ड आई वाज। I really really remember the first day. Oh God, this glares. Okay, the first day I went to school, I remember I was just crying till my grandmother came to pick me up in nursery. I was crying the whole day. That is what I was doing. That was my first day at school. Really, memories for lifetime, seriously. And thank you to all the teachers. Especially I would like to thank to some very 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 personal thank yous. Mridula Kar ma'am, thank you so much. Sunita Adlakha ma'am, the principal Mrs. M.N. Arulraj, thank you so much. I remember very well in 2012, when I was diagnosed with brain epilepsy. My father was very worried कि अब स्कूल का क्या होगा, अब स्टडीज का क्या होगा, अब रिजल्ट का क्या होगा। क्लास 10th थी, you know how class 10th was a big issue in that time. Yes, आज भी big issue ही है, to be very honest. um, but yes, Priya Jain ma'am, my father called my class teacher, and she was just like, sir, we'll take care, you don't worry. And she really really took care, and I have no words to thank you ma'am for that. Geeta Sharma ma'am, thank you so much, your geography classes were the best, seriously. Aarti ma'am, you have not taught me, but the conversations, the amount of fun as a friend I have had, it's been really great. Sumita ma'am, Sumita Banerjee ma'am, it's been lovely being taught by you and meeting you in every Durga Puja every year near the house. It's been amazing, really. And really, really, it's been great. And in class 6th, 7th, when you taught us, it was really, really great. Some memories I really can't forget. Sangeeta Anand ma'am, class 3. Oh God, I used to have so much fun in that. Those times were really, really nice. Um, I don't know how to thank you, teachers. Seriously, Ratna Maria ma'am, Anjali Srivastav ma'am, the two left and right hand of Somerville, Noida, managing everything, top, bottom, right, center, everywhere. You've been really working really hard for all this. Anu Sharma, ma'am, thank you for all the chemistry lessons. Seriously, I somehow I got और मेरी ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री निकल गई आपकी वजह से। थैंक यू सो मच अंजुला केंत मैम, थैंक यू फॉर ऑल दोज फिजिक्स लास्ट टाइम लेसन, सीरियसली हेल्प्ड इन बोर्ड्स। बट यस, योर लेसन्स वर अमेजिंग। जितनी डांट हम हमारी क्लास खाती थी ना, किसी की क्लास नहीं खाती थी, अंजुला मैम से स्पेशली। इट्स लाइक योर वर्स्ट बैच, ये कहाँ से आ गए बच्चे, ऐसे बच्चे कैसे हैं, फलाना फलाना, ऑल दोज। Oh, by the way, this reminds me of the two one-liners of Sunita ma'am, Sunita Adlakha ma'am. The amazing one-liners, seriously. One was lazy lumps of protoplasm, and the second one was fools of the first degree. I can't forget these two dialogues in my life. ऐसे दिमाग के अंदर घुस गए हैं वो। Really, it's amazing, been amazing to have been taught by such amazing teachers. I today, I have this, I still have this. This was given to us when we graduated school, when we passed class 12. As a farewell gift, it was given to us, signed by our principal, Mrs. M. N. Arul Raj, and a really good message written here, as you can see. But really, I still read this. But yes, it's been really great being a part of Somerville. And yes, very, very, very special thanks to Okhade ma'am, Basundara Okhade ma'am. Thank you so much for bringing in the talent of music. मतलब अंदर से ऐसा ना कुरेद कुरेद के आपने बाहर निकाला है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. आई रियली enjoyed all those days being in Somerville, and it's been a great 14-year topsy-turvy ride. And if I'm forgetting somebody, oh, Ritu Sharma ma'am, thank you so much. Vandana Sharma ma'am, Reena Sharma ma'am, Namrata ma'am, I really need to thank you. मतलब क्या बताऊँ मैं आपको. In class sixth, you were okay. This I have to share it with everybody. Namrata ma'am used to be the invigilator when I was in class sixth and seventh for unit tests and PTM. I actually went to another teacher, I guess, and Namrata ma'am saw me, and Namrata ma'am ने मुझे ऐसे बुलाया मेरे, like, with my dad, and she was like, yeah, I know this guy, so see sir, he takes a lot of tension during exams, and he, उसका चेहरा ऐसा नीला पड़ा होता है, वो ऐसे मतलब मर रहा होता है कि मतलब कब मेरा देहांत होने वाला है. I used to be in so much of stress during school exams, seriously, क्योंकि मुझे टॉप करना होता था, पर मैंने टॉप सिर्फ क्लास सिक्स में ही किया था, उसके बाद किया नहीं. नम्रता मैम, आपने मुझे हर साल नहीं टोका, गलत बात है ये. But yes, thank you for letting me know that life में एग्जाम सब कुछ नहीं होता है. लाइफ खुद एक एग्जाम है, और हम सबको लाइफ खुल के जीनी चाहिए. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट मैसेज आई हैव गॉट फ्रॉम नम्रता मैम, and it means a lot to me, seriously. And Rupshri ma'am, thank you so much for all those, Kala Ranjani, Kala Surbi ka sara session. ऐसे धड़कन धड़, I remember धड़कन still. We used to have so much fun that time. It was such an amazing, collaboration. And it was so much fun. Shambhunath sir, thank you so much for all your help. And I don't know if I'm missing out Shelly ma'am, Harpreet ma'am. If I'm missing out anybody, I am really sorry. But all the teachers of Somerville, you have cultivated me to this human being I am today, and I'm proud of myself that I am. Um, I am an alumni of such a great institution, of such a great school, and from the bottom of my heart, not Batman, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you, all of you, for being there as a part of my life. You all really mean a lot to me. Thank you so very much. Especially, yes, I'd like to also mention one thing. I'd gone to Egypt a few years back, as many of the people know, and I was very much, I was complimented. I was given compliments कि आपकी English बड़ी अच्छी है. You really speak English very well, being an Indian. I'm like, ऐसे क्या होता है, मतलब इंडियन का क्या बात है. तो then I realized मतलब मैंने ऐसे रिसर्च मारा, and I was like, yeah, actually मेरी इंग्लिश अच्छी है. But it was not because I am an Indian. It was thanks to the school कि इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेंट ने इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश पढ़ाई है कि मतलब ऐसे जम गई यहाँ पे इंग्लिश. आई वाज लाइक, हाँ चलो ठीक है, आई टेक दैट एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट, एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू द इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द स्कूल. मेरी नेथन मैम, सुनीता अदलका मैम, रत्ना मारिया मैम, इट्स बीन रियली ग्रेट. और एंड विद एवरी नेम आई गेस मैं ऐसे ख़त्म नहीं कर पाऊंगा वीडियो, बट स्पेशल थैंक्स टू वंदना मैम ऑल्सो. computer science. Thank you for letting me choose my career in life. Although I might shift to MBA in some time, but thank you for making me realize that computer science is a great degree that I can pursue in my bachelor's. And with that note, if I've missed out anybody, I'm really, really sorry. But I would like to thank every teacher, all the teachers, and every teacher in Somerville for bringing in me the hidden talents, for teaching me very, very, the life lessons that I really needed to learn, and for bringing in me the hidden talents, for bringing the person I am. Actually, I was quite a nerd, as I told you. ऐसे मैं ऐसे बस चश्मा लगा के ऐसे पढ़ता रहता था, ऐसे बस पढ़ता रहता था। पर 11th 12th में मैं एक्चुअली एक इंसान बन गया था कि हाँ, बात तो करता है कम से कम। And thank you for handling Ratna Maria ma'am and Anjali ma'am for the student council. We had so much fun. Thank you for all that. And with that note, if I've missed out anybody, I'm sorry. I'd like to wish all the teachers of Somerville and all the teachers around the globe a very, very happy Teachers' Day. And please stay home, please stay safe. And I would like to wish you all very, stay safe. And I really hope that we pass this global pandemic scene very, very, very fast. COVID should leave us as soon as it can because we are not in a relationship with it. So, anyways, a very, very happy Teachers' Day and have a great day to all of you.